stage of work at the sports complex right now. We have concluded the casting of the internal gutters, the building of the parapet walls around the buildings, and the casting of the copings. Right now we are plastering the internal walls of the parapet wall, after which we tile it. The essence of the tiling of these internal parapet walls and the gutters is because of the leaking of the roof. On the clubhouse, we have the carpentry and the ironworks going on simultaneously. We have the iron benders laying the mats, that is the primary and the secondary reinforcements. When they are done with that, we have the plumbing and the electrical work done before the casting commences.